Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, we are on the record in the matter of the City of Wyandotte versus Jennifer Douglas, 232433. An appearance, counsel?
Your Honor, John Goldport, P 30758 on behalf of Ms. Douglas.
All right, thank you. Ms. Douglas, your name for the record, please.
Jennifer Douglas.
All right, thank you. And counsel, as to the arraignment.
Your Honor, she's been charged with one count of possession of controlled substance. I reviewed the charges with her. She would stand mute to the charges, waive a formal reading of those charges, and ask for the plea of not guilty to enter.
The court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment. We will schedule this matter for a pre-trial on December 5th at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, as to bond.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Douglas does have one prior drug matter. It was a felony that was reduced to a possession, I believe. She spent 365 days in jail, according to her self-reporting. She was released in July, I believe, of 2023. She has one child. She lives with her father, stepfather, and her mother in the city of Wyandotte. She's 25 years old. At this time, she's unemployed. She is a high school graduate. I'm sorry. She's a high school graduate from Roosevelt. As I've indicated, she does have that one prior incident. We'd asked for a personal bond in this particular matter due to her status as she's unemployed. She wants to get this matter resolved, and we're asking for a personal bond in this particular. She has always, from what I understand, appeared on other matters. She did have an outstanding warrant, that's why she was incarcerated. She was in a vehicle with another individual. Officers recognized her, and she was stepped out. They checked it was a warrant, and during the processing or at on the street, the drugs were located in there. That's for a no insurance claim, she told me, which she has not resolved yet, but will be taken care of when she.
Well, just one, okay. So June of 21, your client had a felony dangerous drugs charge and another misdemeanor matter. And then January of 2023 is when she was sentenced. She was pled and sentenced because it looks as though she wasn't charged until 2022. And so you were sentenced to 365 days in jail on January 31st, correct?
Correct.
Well, isn't that 1 year? Is that 1 year?
Yeah.
365 days, 1 year?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are on November 22nd, and you're in custody, but you're not in the Wayne County Jail custody. When were you released, ma'am?
I was released like late July.
You were ordered for a year in jail and you were released after 6 months?
I did. I was a trustee, so I got time off my sentence for good behavior.
Well, ma'am, you should probably try to continue that good behavior when you're out of custody.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. For the most part, I haven't been using. So.
Well, if you were tested today, what's in your system? I'm going to guess something.
I'm sorry, what?
What is in your system if you were to test today?
Probably methamphetamines. It might be out of my system by now, though.
When's the last time you used it?
It was probably 4 days ago, 4 or 5 days ago.
And you had a warrant out for your arrest out of Southgate, right?
It's for a no insurance ticket. When I was in county, I tried doing a plea by mail, and they told me that they couldn't give me jail time. So I'm not sure.
Okay. Well, ma'am, You've been out of jail since the end of July and you haven't taken care of it. You know it's there.
I know, I just haven't had the money, Your Honor.
Well, because you don't have a job. Why aren't you working?
I have been applying for a lot of jobs on Indeed. I've been applying like crazy.
Okay. Well, there's other locations that you can, I mean, where are you applying? You can't get a
Mostly
job
like
since
warehouse
July.
jobs. Mostly warehouse jobs.
All right, now, well, your client has a history of failing to appear. She just did time in jail for possession, and now here she is again.
Actually, Your Honor, I don't. Possession was the original charge of felony. It was reduced to weeks. From what I believe, because.
Okay, a drug related charge.
Well, in case, yes.
Clarify that.
I'm confused.
All right, well, Ms. Douglas, the court's going to order a $5,000 10% bond. This is actually a lot more for your safety and your sobriety. The court's going to order you not to possess or consume the alcohol or drugs unless prescribed in the event you post bond. Also, you object to random testing
Okay,
in the event you post bond.
so what's my button? I'm sorry, I can't, I don't have my glasses on, I can't see.
And you are to submit 30 job applications per week, ma'am.
Okay,
You don't have to limit it to warehouses.
okay.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And you are to submit 30 job applications per week, ma'am.